Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 4, leçon B. And in this lesson, we'll try to work on le genre des mots, so the gender of the words, because normally that's something a bit difficult for students to know or to remember the gender of the words. So normally what I tell them is to try to memorize, try to remember the gender when they discover or when they see a new word, but I know it's not easy. Okay, so in this lesson we'll try to see actually a few endings that give you some useful tips, and we'll focus only on the feminine words, and we'll start right now. Sorry. So when you see words that are ending with this ion, so you can be almost this is quite important. Never say always when you talk about French language, because you always find some exceptions. Okay, so I won't say always, I will say in most of the cases. Okay, when they end with ion, okay, in most of the cases they will be feminine. Okay, so for instance here, la libération, or then la nation. Okay. Other ending is t, so when a word is finishing or ending with t, like that. La rapidité, rapidité means speed, and then la santé, health. Okay, in this case you can be almost sure that these words will be feminine. Okay, when they're ending with ure, ur, okay, la peinture, paint, la voiture, car, okay, so they are feminine. And then when they're ending with s, like that, s, so for instance, la politesse, la vitesse. Vitesse means speed. Okay, so these words are feminine, and these endings are classical ending for feminine form. Okay, so let's see them one more time. La libération, la nation, la rapidité, la santé, la peinture, la voiture, la politesse, la vitesse. Okay, so let's see a few more. So still for the feminine form. So when you will have a word ending with this double T, et, okay, for instance, la chaussette, la roulette, so they will be feminine. Okay, chaussette means sock, and then roulette, well, it's the same, the thing you will find in casinos. And then when they're ending with ie, like here, okay, so basically you don't pronounce the okay, so it will be only the sound i. Okay, for instance, la vie, life, okay, la partie, the part, okay, so they will be feminine as well. Okay, and then words ending with accent aigu, and then here. Okay, remember this final is not pronounced, so you will have this e. Remember, accent aigu, it's e sound. Okay, la poupée, the doll. L'arrivée, the arrival. Okay, la poupée, l'arrivée. So feminine as well. In that case, remember that normally it should be la arrivée, but as arrivée, as usual, you know, start with a vowel, then a is disappearing, and then you just put this apostrophe. Okay, and then words ending with ud, like that, ude, ud, okay, are normally, in most of the cases, feminine. La gratitude, well, if my understanding is correct, is exactly the same in English. La gratitude, and then same thing here, latitude. Latitude. Okay, so let's repeat them one more time. La chaussette, la roulette, la vie, la partie, la poupée, l'arrivée, la gratitude, l'attitude. Okay, I know it's not the key, it's not the magic key that will help you forever and that will give you all the time the correct gender of the words, but still you've got some tips now. Okay, it was leçon B. Okay, remember that I've been doing many lessons, so they can be found there on youtube.com/imagier. Okay, and then the website is here, imagier.net. You can find more material there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.